Nane yesi obi nasi wo nyame fa ne krensie wo no wo ne eya
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum me say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here.
from krenken to krenken bibia nko ye from krenken to krenken bibia nko ye ite na hefa ngo no bibia kodru ejaman bo so ayede ana ejaman bo so ayede
nte ekonanim kakra
ejaman bo so ayede
ekonanim kakra
iti enai some say your mama na ye magic and be do be 10 cities na ye wonom kai
yeah
it is today magic na why today magic na why because in prempren Ghana for chiri wo mo because so buy here from 2025 to today what to a year light bill mu kwa almost 28 to 30%. Ya ho chiri yen ba ye ko ka your mama ka just aban papa ba ye ko ka handis papa ka just aban papa ba o me ka just $1 ba from and $1 no so ekwa hin say ato is not forcing biomana
fluctuate kakra
say over the sub-Saharan Africa has here over the worst performing currency is the Ghanaian cedi, the worst performing currency as we speak, and the dollar no so as say man so etine dwadifo no omo hu de betumi asi da achi o enti no so mo tete omo nyoma bo no so it is today dollar man mu so ene fango bo so amane mu no so abaimu penifom communication chiro bia
Lisa is better
ba ukoka ni edu atam they better than previous
dollar rate no I think say it's better than before
dollar rate no better than previous na nyoma bo so te say dollar na mo de kwakra nyoma ne ba
yeah
and the car what te say and the car spare parts ne what te say dollar wo say dollar na mo si mudie
yes
it no so dollar na mo de kwakra ba anambo it ne what te say and the spare parts what to say. It's in a year, they said GPRTU, first and one no.
Concerned drivers.
Concerned drivers. Omo penny ne car say spare parts for no omo boa. Inya no kore entity so. Yes, entity so. Entity so. Bibi any why entity so. Because me kai say in 2024, not top part. Camry near you not top part na be 100 cedis so 150 Ghana cedis. But today, ukwa 300, every crack only 350 Ghana cedis. Iti yaten your bonus away. Yaten your bonus away. But today, ye nyam crofo kroma. Just look at the kind of thievery echoes will kroma. Kronoa, a buying way, and then crofo ebo kroma. Just look at that. Because as you speak, wouldn't say every person sa MMDCs and this MMDCs. When say one boho ebura so no ebura
yeah
to back 1.1 billion one boho 1.1 billion old cities
it will be one time water works I'm sure say very less than that
1.1 billion but today some of the MMDCs and this MMDCs no sa no mutu ebura back look at the TV ekoso but no aban mu fo so mu hunu ye no mu so mu hunu ye. And a kilometer of road, a buy winning in Crawford to make the GA 16 million Ghana cedis, just 1 kilometer. There's a free Abripo junction, a cocosi a Prempes gate nano. And okay, 1 kilometer sewa. Hayano, a buy with GA 160 billion old cedis. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. And then I go so krum. Then I go so krum. Nane yesi obi nasi wo nyame fa ne krensi wo no wo in the air. Look at the course wo kuma say.
Then the course will be now.
In opposition, not saying no more. In opposition, near $10. Huh? Listen, near $10. Billions of money. Much I say yes. Power day. Moba be mun say yan. Na wo ko reception. Hey, o ko ka make just say ya ho ya. Why na ya ho ya? Kai na no asem etwemu. Na no na wo yes ade ni bi. Today cash aba. So look at what happened in Kumasi just over the weekends.
Sabi omanya adwuma ye ana ye chiro muka ana.
Adwuma ben na omoye wo krom ha bosomi aketua omobai how many months ni?
So it's been about 2 years, right? 16
or 17 months. Bosomi aketua ben omoye wo krom ha ebetumi aye this offense luxury aye is it funeral and as a party no moye. This is the people we live in. Just 16 months ago, they were in opposition. May I not be problem? Say 16 months ago, now we preach say a bam penny for more year party and yet, but today a one a ya. So what I say, but share. I just a party in the air. I say no communication director. Okruma, the encanasem. The coca, even young crow, and I. Fancy and age on sika. It's today. Bibian who cause wominia. Bibian who cause Ukruma. No ma boy yet. No ma boy yet. And also check today. I'm also to talk about cash and tia debu. Cash and tia debu me too. So see papa ni here. Or see Bibian who best son. 20% no mu pejam no Bibian who best son. Begin who has some. So Mukosia.
Madam Oslo so after your mark yen na kasa na musa sabi o san kwase asem we ye de hwemu ye de NDC force the beach from George e ye nanim se bo float e de catch ye said the law is perfect and Richard Sky peace there be City FM journalist this there be
me say me catch the play na you playing fa say NDC for in this case we ni pa bonifo China America no
Ozo na da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo a Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de chire Ghana fa se me ba we ni na meyama mo na abusia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow on my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and it goes on and no me say. It is a Kenyan you say in a no man in Abaya. It is a scan of the was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort must sacrifice discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, which on the funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You say, I ain't gonna for debut. Na fe na tables na ten afi dem mokeke mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. asofo no mon common into with asofo no with the greatest of respect omon common into nko nyina ho chief imam for nko common into nko nyina ho politicians nko common into nko nyina ho marketing men omon common into nko nyina ho obi an kana into nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye bia invest kwa ye hen kitinkiti we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk ade asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open kitinkiti obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open kitinkiti izenya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka kire rajon dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de rajon dramani ma ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Say dear ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about council of state member voter region na me say films Remona Chapa ya happen say where ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say council of state member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and Onya Juma or da I'm number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say dependent boy.
Or since I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and kwa baby akwa dan and then number one. Yes. Not just say what's in Ukraine during say state institution we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omu koswa na se maintain mo ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy we take omu statement ama o grant omu bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court I really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite and our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about
Nana me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my